The Navien NFC series brought the innovative technologies of condensing tankless water heaters and fire tube boilers together into one advanced unit. Now, the all-new NFC-H high-efficiency condensing fire tube combi boiler series takes all-in-one home heating and domestic hot water solutions to the next level with even higher operating capacities and higher performance. Packed with new advanced features, the new NFC-H series offers higher turndown ratios, wider BTU ranges, longer venting options for more flexible installation, an easy-to-use multi-line LCD display with improved controls and intuitive navigation, and an upgraded domestic hot water module. The NFC-H is available in two models to meet the needs of most living spaces. Improved TDRs minimize cycling and improve efficiency. An advanced gas flow control system provides high turndown ratios, reducing energy waste, preventing excessive boiler cycling, and enhancing temperature control. The NFC-H series offers space heating and DHW turndown ratios of up to 15:1 on both models. Dual inputs of up to 199,000 BTU per hour for heating and 210,000 BTU per hour for DHW meets the space heating and domestic hot water requirements of most larger homes. For additional domestic hot water demand, the NFC-H can be cascaded with Navien NPE units for even more endless hot water. Navien's patented stainless steel fire tube heat exchanger is ASME certified, H-stamped, and is designed to reduce high stress point weld failures common on other combi boilers. Like all of our key components, this advanced heat exchanger is designed and manufactured in-house using the latest automated laser welding technology to deliver superior quality and performance. A new, more powerful fan motor extends venting capability up to 65 feet, expanding installation flexibility for today's large custom homes or retrofits. An improved domestic hot water module includes a new easy-access three-way valve, mixing valve, flow adjustment valve, and innovative stainless steel flat plate heat exchanger just for DHW, as well as built-in powered zone control for up to 3-zone pumps or 3-zone valve connections, along with the corresponding thermostat connections, making it sufficient for most applications without the need for the external zone control panels. An all-new vent installation detector, or VID, further improves safety and functionality. The Navien NFC series is approved for single and two-pipe venting applications. The NFC-H boilers can also be vented either horizontally or vertically and using different pressure zones. An advanced front panel features a backlit multi-line LCD display with intuitive navigation and command dial for quick, easy access to the unit's features and controls, as well as improved troubleshooting and diagnostics. An easy-to-use Navien setup wizard simplifies installation and unit configuration even further. Navien NFC-H models feature built-in recirculation control and pump connections with 5 built-in DHW recirculation modes: always on, intelligent, weekly, aquastat, and hot button, providing the homeowner with hot water to any fixture in the home, faster than ever before. NFC-H units offer easy access to internal components for planned maintenance and service, while the new front panel display makes feature adjustment and configuration easier than ever. Navien NFC-H units offer industry-leading warranties, and improved operating ranges meet the needs of nearly any installation. A wide range of available options and accessories increase customizability. Navien's sleek NFC-H wall-mounted combi boilers occupy 80% less space than traditional floor-standing boilers and tank water heaters, and they are designed to run quietly, so the units can be installed in or near media rooms, rec rooms, or any living space of a home. Higher performance, higher turndown ratios, wider operating ranges, flexible installation options, an upgraded DHW module, and an all-new front panel display Take the Navion NFCH high-capacity condensing fire tube combi boiler to new heights in home heating and DHW technology.